there, April, my mom, Aiko of Yes to Next Year.
Hi.
Today we're going to do a gentle workout designed to relieve tension and discomfort often associated with sciatica. So if you ever felt tightness in your hips, your lower back, or even down your leg, this is fairly common, and gentle movement can help alleviate that and support your body. Now, this workout can be done entirely seated. So if you're not comfortable getting to the floor, this is perfect for you. All right, and just a quick reminder before we start. This workout is designed for general fitness and mobility. It's not medical advice. So if you've had injuries, pain, or any type of medical conditions, please check with your healthcare provider before starting.
Absolutely.
All right, and so yeah, all these movements should be done without pain. You shouldn't feel any pain. So listen to your body and do what feels right. How does that all sound, Mom?
Sounds great. Let's go.
All right, we'll take a pause here and get started. All right, so let's just get started with a gentle warm-up to get our body ready to do some gentle movement to relieve discomfort and tension often associated with sciatica. Okay, so I want you to sit tall, have your feet firmly on the floor, knees over ankles, and I just want you to take a few breaths. So inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale, and think tall, like as if you're creating space in your spine. Keep breathing. Inhale and exhale, and two more. Inhale and exhale. Very, very nice, everybody. Okay, so we want to wake up our lower body, right? Especially this hip area, where there's often a lot of tightness. So I want you to do some gentle pelvic tilts. So we're just gonna rock our pelvis forward and back. And I'm gonna turn to the side here to just kind of let you see what that looks like. Again, my feet are firmly on the floor. I'm tilting my pelvis forward, back, and then forward, okay? This is a little rocking motion, forward and back. You should feel your pelvis moving forward and back in the chair. This is, loosening up your lower back. Gently. Getting the hips moving gently. Okay, good.
The sciatica is a nerve, right?
It's nerve related, yes, and it's a nerve that comes off of your spine.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why it's so sensitive, I think.
And honestly, it's a lot of sitting. Can be an issue. So we want to move as much as we can, everyone. All right. So keep rocking back and forth, really waking up that hip area, pelvic area, even your glutes.
You can do this all day, just sitting in a chair.
You can do this anywhere if you're sitting in a chair. All right? All right, give me 5 more. This is 5, good. And breathe. Just breathe naturally. 4, 3, good. 2, and 1, and breathe and rest. Okay, I'm gonna turn back over here.
Okay.
Great. And you can see we have these chairs here, and it looks like my mom is sitting in that round chair, but actually she's sitting in a firm chair like this. And so
squeaky chair.
Yeah, but not a super cushy one. We really do want a firm chair. And in this case, having no arms is actually helpful. All right, so nice work on pelvic tilts. Okay, we're just gonna go into some gentle marching now. Okay, let's get the circulation going in that lower body. Breathe out. And believe it or not, you're working on your core while you do this as well.
It's good. Okay. Yeah, core is important.
Who thought you'd get your steps in too on this gentle movement to help sciatica workout?
All body workout, almost.
That's right.
You get your brain working.
Yeah, well, there's some coordination aspect to it too. Breathe, everybody. All right, looking good. Let's do 5 each side from here. And this is 4. Breathe. This is 3. And 2. Good. And 1. And relax and breathe. Nice work on this warm up. Okay, so the first stretch move we're going to do is the figure 4. This is what the optimal looks like, right? Oh, I really feel this stretch already.
Yeah.
Okay, but hold tight. I'm gonna give you some modifications.
That's good.
This is the goal, but that's okay. Now, you can also just cross over your shin or your ankle.
That sounds good to me.
The whole point is to really open up this hip. Okay, that's our goal. So just by even crossing your ankle, you can open up the hip. Okay, and so I want you to your stationary leg here to be like knee over ankle, right? It's this one that opens up. So you should feel a nice stretch here.
Yeah.
Do you feel that? Okay. So let's hold it here. Let's hold it here for a count of 15 since we've already been holding it. Okay, so here you go. 15, 14, good. 13, 12, breathe. This is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, breathe. 4, 3, 2, and 1, and relax and come back to center. Nice work.
Yeah.
Really nice work. Okay, so I'm going to do the other side, doing the full figure 4 here. All right, and you're going to cross over, right? So this foot has to be firmly on the floor. Okay, this foot firmly on the floor. Right,
Yep.
knee over ankle.
Yep.
Okay, knee over ankle. So firmly on the floor with a nice little cross. Put your ankle. Oh, there you go. Feel that? You can even
Yep.
come to the edge of your seat. Oh, here we go. Whew. For a count of 20. Breathe. I'm actually going to look at my counter here. Breathe. Nice work. Keep it going. We're at 10. Breathe. Hey, you should feel a nice stretch in that hip, leg. Breathe and relax. Nice work. Take a breath. Inhale and exhale. Very good, everybody. Okay, now our next move is our favorite hamstring stretch. We're really going to stretch out the back of our leg here. Okay, so come to the edge of your seat. Our knees are over our ankles, feet flat on the floor, and we're going to kick that one heel out, toe up to the ceiling. This in itself is a stretch. Now, you want a little more challenge? You can hinge at the hips, keep the back straight, and just hold. We're going to hold this stretch, everyone. Okay? So breathe it out. I want you to hold it here. We're holding it for about 20 seconds. So hang tight, just breathe through it. Breathe, relax. Breathe naturally. You're looking great. Breathe. And 3, 2, 1, and relax. Nice work. Okay, you ready to do the other side right away?
Yep.
Okay, sit tall again. Okay, let's check our form. Feet firmly on the floor. Kick the other heel straight out, toe up to the ceiling, and you can either hinge or just stay right here. You might feel a nice stretch already, right?
Yeah.
Okay, breathe.
Yep.
Okay, good. I'm gonna hinge slightly, and I'm keeping my back straight. Okay, nice work, everybody. Breathe. You're looking great. Another 10 seconds. Keep it going. Amazing how time flies, right? 20 seconds goes quick.
Yeah.
Breathe. You can reach for your toe if you want, not necessary. And come up gently. Really nice. How's everything feeling down there?
Sounds good.
Yeah, you're feeling good?
Yeah.
Okay, how are you feeling?
For me?
Check in with your body. Nice work. And again, should not feel any pain in these movements. Okay. All right, listen to your body and do what feels right for you. All right. Okay, so let's do a leg lift here. So you can do an assisted one. You can put your hand underneath your thigh, but I want you to sit tall, no slouching, Sit tall with your back straight. Looking great. Okay, I'm gonna turn to the sides again so you can see that I don't want this, I want this. Okay, really engage the core and give a nice stretch. Breathe. Okay, hold on to that. Okay, hold on. You're looking great. Okay, breathe. And another 5 seconds. Breathe. And relax. Okay, nice work. Ooh, are you feeling the stretch?
Yeah.
Okay, again, sit tall. We're gonna do the other side. Okay, so bring it up. Assisted, sit tall, no slouching. Breathe. Nice work. Okay, very good. This is 5. Breathe. 4, 3, 2, and 1, and relax. Very nice. Okay, breathe, everybody.
Yeah.
Take a breath. If you need to take a sip of water, feel free. All right, very nice. Oh, okay, nice work, everyone. So now we're kind of move that leg and also kind of move the nerve too, a little nerve light. So this is what it looks like. We're going to extend our leg, okay, and we're going to flex our foot.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
We're going to hold that, and then we're going to come back. We're going to bend the knee and down.
Okay.
Okay, that's all it is. We're going to extend, flex, 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 flex. Bend the knee and down. Okay? Got it? Okay, let's do 6 more of these. So extend, flex, bend, and down. That's 3. Extend and flex, bend, and down. Woo! Extend and flex, bend the knee, and down. You feel it working?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Extend and flex, bend, and down. Oh, yes. Okay, 3 more. Extend and flex, bend, and down. And if you need to put that heel on the floor, feel free, because it can be challenging, okay? Bend and down. 2 more. Extend and flex, bend, and down. And 1 more. Extend, flex, bend, and down. Breathe. Ooh. Relax.
Yeah.
Okay, give me little butterfly moves with these knees here. Good job. All right. You have to do the other side. Going for 8 here. Okay, so sit tall. Long spine. Flex, bend, and down. Flex, bend, and down. Good. Extend and flex. Breathe. Down. That's 3. Extend and flex. That's 4. Extend and flex. Really get that. Yeah, bring the toe forward. Yes. And down. Bring that toe towards your head. Okay, 3 more. Extend, toe. Yes, really feel that stretch.
Yeah.
2 more. Extend, flex, and knee bend. Extend, flex, and bend the knee. Whew. Yes. Nice work.
Okay.
Okay, butterfly, butterfly with these knees and thighs. Good work. Breathe. Okay, we're going to try to create some space in our spine to alleviate that lower back tightness.
Sounds good.
All right, so we're going to do a side stretch, everyone. So arm up, think tall. Whatever your range of motion is, that's fine. Just think tall spine. So think tall.
Yeah.
Okay? Slightly, really kind of open things up. Nice. Breathe. I'm going to keep you here for a count of 10. This is 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and relax. Nice work. Feel that stretch? I think you're getting taller already.
Yeah.
All right, everybody. Take a breath.
Trying to reach that top shelf.
That's right. Here we go. Bring it up. Think tall, tall, tall. Long spine, everybody. For a count of 10. This is 5. Breathe. 4, 3, 2, and 1, and relax. Nice work, everyone. You're doing great. Okay, so the glutes are really important to support the lower back. So we're always looking for ways to strengthen our glutes or our butt muscles.
Right.
Okay, so while we're seated here, we're going to sit tall, and we're just going to squeeze our buns together. Activate those glutes. Hold and release. Okay, did you release?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can't tell.
I can't tell.
No.
Now, all honor system
I
here.
mean, yeah. I could say I'm doing it.
Well, we're all about strengthening, so we're going to honor system. So squeeze and lift. You can actually feel yourself lifting a little bit.
Yeah.
You feel your glutes engage, and actually even your thighs kind of lift up a little bit too,
Right.
right? When those glutes come up. breathe, and relax. We're going for 10 here, okay? So squeeze and relax. Really working those glutes here in a gentle way. Squeeze and relax, breathe, okay? Squeeze, this is 5, relax, okay? And squeeze, this is 6, don't forget to breathe.
Oh yeah, keep breathing.
Squeeze, this is 7.
Don't stop breathing.
Yes.
Not good.
Got to get the oxygen to your body. Okay, this is 8. And release. 2 more. Squeeze. And release. 1 more. Just strengthen those glutes. Squeeze. Hold it, hold it, hold it. And relax.
Wow.
Good work, butt muscles.
Yeah.
All right, nice work. All right. Excellent work. So now I just want you to, since we did a lot of work with our hips and our lower back, I want you to have your feet together. You can come to the edge of your chair, and I just want you really to open up those knees and then close them, whatever your range of motion is, okay? Just gently open and close them, okay? Nice work.
Yeah.
On releasing tension in your lower body.
And hopefully it helps your sciatica too.
Yeah, and hopefully it releases the tension in that lower back. You know, your down your leg, and in your hips. We worked on a lot of movements that work on hip mobility. All right, so really nice work, everybody. Breathe, and give me 2 more, and 1 more, and relax. Very, very nice. And so sit back in your chair a little bit. I just want you to do 3 inhale, exhales. We're going to go up and down. We're a little tight here for space, but if you want to put your arms up and down, you can. Think tall and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And 1 more. Inhale. Oh yes, and exhale. Great job doing these gentle movements to help release tension and discomfort in your lower body. Okay, and you know, the key here is consistency. So, you know, the more you do it, the better it is, and it all adds up.
Right.
Okay, and so, you know, if you ever feel, tension like that, you know, you can just come back to this gentle workout and do it again.
Good.
All right, so if you want more ways to increase mobility and strength, we have a lot of different stretching videos and also chair yoga videos, and even a chair yoga book that you can find it anywhere books are sold. That's helpful. All right, so thank you so much for joining us. If you like this workout, let us know what you thought. It's always a joy to help you keep moving and keep you nice and strong and flexible. We look forward to seeing you in a future workout. And in the meantime, keep moving gently and
stay strong.
all right.
See you
See you
soon.
soon.